Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In The Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today, this is what's going to be jumping in my pot. Charleston Red Rice, also known as Gullah Rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: black pepper, smoked paprika, hot sauce, unsalted chicken broth, salt, sugar, bay leaf, diced celery, diced fresh parsley, chopped garlic. I have in this bowl diced white onions and scallions. And I have here red and green peppers chopped. And we're going to use bacon. I have the bacon diced up. And crushed red tomatoes. And of course, it wouldn't be Charleston Red Rice without Carolina Gold. This is the rice you must use. Now let's get to making the Charleston Red Rice. I have a heavy cast iron pot here that I'm going to be using. And we're going to add the diced up bacon in it. And we're going to saute this up until it gets nice and crispy and let off some of the oil from the bacon. Yes, I think it's fried up enough for me to add the onions and scallions. Then we're going to let the minced garlic jump into the pot. We're going to saute up this for about 30 seconds. Now let the green and red peppers jump into the pot. And the celery. We saute this up for about 30 seconds. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now let's add the Carolina Gold rice. I've washed it several times in cold water so it'll wash off the starch. You wash it until the water runs clear, not cloudy anymore. We're going to stir up all the ingredients that's in the pot with the Carolina Gold rice and let it saute up for about a minute. But first, before we're going to add all the seasonings. And we're going to mix all of that up. And then we're going to let it saute for about a minute. Well, now let's add the rest of the ingredients. The crushed tomatoes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And now we're going to add some chicken stock. the hot sauce, the parsley, and the bay leaf. Then we're going to mix everything up together. And then we're going to cover it up for about 25 minutes. Here you have it. Charleston Red Rice, also known as Gullah Red Rice. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And I will see you soon with another video. And don't forget to check out some of my older videos in the screen below. Bye.